You spend months building the perfect digital product, you've put in the work, you've created something that actually solves real problems for people. And now comes the most stressful part, bringing traffic to your digital product offer. This is where most people actually get stuck, right? Because the truth is that most of us just don't like to be in front of the camera. And I mean, let's be real, I know I make it look easy, but yes, public speaking is a skill set of its own. Or maybe you just don't have the time to be recording yourself constantly. At least that is the case with me. And even if you are comfortable in front of the camera and you have time, it's a hustle to always have to look good for camera, to always be camera ready, making sure your hair is blow dried, having the right lighting. I mean, the list goes on. So here's the thing. Look at this digital product page, the Smarty Budget. So this digital product store, it's been blowing up. If you look at their Instagram account, they're getting tons of engagement and hence tons of sales without showing their face. And the creators behind it, well, you never see their actual face, which is actually pure genius. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a digital product brand by leveraging the power of AI. So you can build a faceless brand or simply build an AI clone of yourself. So I'll walk you through the exact method that I use to create weeks worth of reels in just a few hours, all without showing my face or getting burnt out. So I need to be honest with you about something. Even as someone who uploads to social media consistently and who is comfortable in front of the camera, I have found myself burning out. I was exhausted from constantly having to record, the constant need to look presentable, the pressure to always be on. So that's why I started experimenting and creating an AI clone of myself. And then I realized how much time it saved me and how much better I felt. So I knew I had to share this with you guys. And many of you have been asking me, how do I do it? How do I stay consistent? How do I post so frequently without burning out? So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how, and it all comes down to this one realization. You don't need to be on camera to build a successful digital product brand. So let's get started. Let me tell you how AI avatars can change your entire social media game. You can create an entire week's worth of video content in just a few hours, not days, not weeks. You don't need lighting setup. You don't need to worry about wardrobe changes or whether your angle is flattering that day or not. Your content looks professional and consistent every single time. And here's the best part. Your AI avatar never has a bad day and never wakes up not feeling camera ready. So it never decides it doesn't want to record today. Your content quality stays exactly the same every single time. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but wait, avatars are just so obvious. Everyone can tell it's not a real person. That's going to perhaps hurt my brand. I get it. I had the exact same concern. But let me tell you something. After uploading hundreds of videos with my AI clone, I learned a few tricks that make all the difference. And honestly, when you watch my video now, it's getting really hard to tell that I'm using AI avatars in some of my shorts and IG reels. And even if someone can actually point out that you are using an AI avatar, why does it actually matter? The algorithm doesn't care if a human made the content or an AI did. What the algorithm cares about is whether people are watching it, whether they engage with it, whether they comment and share. And here's the thing about your audience. If you are providing worthy solution to real problems, they will watch and engage. They will buy from you. Your face is not the product per se. Your solution is the product. So let me introduce you to the tool that changed my life, HeyGen. It's an AI video generation software that creates realistic avatar videos from text in just a few minutes. So here's how it works. You write a script, you select an avatar, either from their pre-built library, or you can clone yourself. You add your voice or voiceover, and boom, you just have a professional video. The whole thing takes less time than it would take you to film and edit a regular video. The cost is also pretty reasonable. HeyGen charges based on your usage, but you can start with a basic plan and scale up as your business grows. Compared to the time you're saving and the consistency you're gaining, it's one of the best investments I've made in my business. Now, let me tell you how to use HeyGen exactly step by step. So here's how to create a realistic AI avatar. All right, so let's get into the actual process. This is where it becomes really practical. Step 1, create videos using AI avatars. So you have 2 options here. The first option is to use HeyGen's pre-built avatars. So this is the fastest approach. HeyGen has actually over 100 professional avatars to choose from. You can select male, female, different ethnicity, and different styles. You simply add your script, choose your avatar, select a voice, and then the software generates your video. So this approach is best if you're just starting out and want to move fast. The second option is more involved, but creates something much more unique, right? So you create your own custom AI clone. Also, this is the method that I have been using to post regularly on Instagram. So here's how this works. You upload a video of yourself speaking, and here's an important tip. Try not to make a lot of gestures. So this is crucial. I learned this the hard way through hundreds of uploads. So AI is not really able to interpret gesture that you make when you speak. It's just not very accurate, right? And in some of my early videos, my gestures were actually what gave it away, right? The people saw that I was like using an AI clone. So here's what you want to do instead. Create a simple 10-minute video of yourself speaking. Keep your hands relatively still, limit your movement, and just hold your hands naturally and deliver your content. This is going to make a huge difference. Then you upload that video to HeyGen, and the AI creates your digital twin. And it takes about 10 minutes of video footage to do this properly. And from that point on, your avatar mimics your movement and expressions. So it learns your cadence, your delivery, your personality. Now, the voice part is actually also a bit tricky, and I want to be honest about this. You have, again, about 2 options. So the first option is to use HeyGen's voice tool. You record yourself speaking for about 30 minutes, and here's the key. You need to give the AI a range of different intonation. You record yourself sounding perhaps excited, you record yourself sounding more monotone, you record yourself sounding more relaxed. You vary your pitch up and down, and then you give the AI all these different variations so it learns how your voice naturally sounds in different emotional states. So this helps the AI do better voice cloning. But here's my personal recommendation, and this is what I do now. Instead of relying on AI for voice cloning, I just had my voiceover on top of my avatar. So I record myself speaking separately and layer it on top of the AI clone video. This approach is much more seamless because honestly, AI voice cloning, it's getting better, but it's just not perfect yet. The AI voice is still not quite sounding exactly like the real person, and for me, I can tell the difference. But my actual voice recording, well, I simply use that, right? And that small extra step, but it makes a huge difference in the final quality. So the entire approach is perfect if you want to build a personal brand, but you also want to have an AI clone helping you churn out more content consistently. So you're getting the best of both worlds. So you have a digital version of you that looks professional and consistent, but when people hear your voice, they're hearing the real you. So step 2 is write platform-specific scripts. So now let's talk about scripting because this is critical. The script is everything. Your avatar could be the most realistic AI in the world, but if the script is bad, your video is bad. So here's my rule of thumb when it comes to scripting. Every single sentence should answer the question, why should someone watching this care about what I'm about to share? If a sentence doesn't serve that purpose, it doesn't belong in your video. Here's the script template that I use every single time. It works consistently. So first, you have the hook. This is the first sentence. It should make someone stop scrolling. Here's an example. This one mistake killed my digital product sales. So that's the hook, right? It's specific and it's intriguing. Second, you have the problem section. So here's where you explain the situation. I was getting traffic, but 0 conversion because. So you're identifying the pain point. You're making the viewer think, oh, wow, that's me. And then third, you have the solution. This is where you explain how to fix a problem. So then I discover your product, blah, 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 right? So you're showing them the path forward. And fourth, you have the proof. So this is where you back up your claim. So in 30 days, I increased my conversion by 20%, right? So try to use very specific numbers, use real results. This is what builds credibility. And finally, you have the call to action. This is crucial. Here, you're telling them exactly what to do next and creating urgency. So this entire structure takes about 30 minutes to write for one video, and it's the difference between a video that converts and a video that just gets views. Step 3, edit and optimize. Now, here's something important that people miss. I do recommend that you add B-roll and animated graphics on top of your AI avatar. So this is not optional, by the way. Your avatar, no matter how realistic, will look a bit monotonous if it's just talking to the camera. So for 3 minutes straight, right? Because people are gonna be like, okay, this avatar is not moving. You need to break it up. So you layer it with B-roll footage, you add animated graphics that reinforce your message, you add visual elements that help illustrate what you're talking about. This keeps the engagement high. You also need to add captions. So this is another non-negotiable. 50% of people watching social media content have the sound off. So if your video doesn't have caption, you lose half your audience instantly. Step 4, post. So then you simply post it to your platform. You engage with comments, you respond to people who ask questions, and you build the community. And then you do it all again tomorrow with the next video. Now, let's address the objection and myths, because I know that they're swirling around in your head right now. So myth number 1, algorithm suppresses AI content. So this is completely false. Here's the reality. Algorithms don't detect AI yet. They measure engagement, they measure watch time, they measure comments and shares and saves. The algorithms literally has no way to know whether it's human-made or if it's AI, right? It only knows whether people are engaging with it. So if you're creating valuable content that people want to watch, the algorithm will promote it regardless of whether it's made by AI or a human. Myth number 2, you need to show your face to build a personal brand. So this one is the biggest lies being sold right now. Here's the reality. You decide what kind of business you want to build. So if showing your face on social media is not your thing, then don't do it, right? There are plenty of other ways to grow your online brand. Your product is your brand. Your face can actually simply be a distraction. So look at Duolingo. Everyone knows Duolingo, the Duolingo owl, right? So the owl gets more engagement than any of the founder ever could. So you don't need to be the face of your brand. Your face is not the product. Your solution is the product. Now, myth number 3, faceless content isn't authentic. So this is an interesting one because most people have this completely backward. Here's the reality. Authenticity equals solving real problems with useful advice. That's what authenticity is. Your audience doesn't need to see your face to trust you. They need results. They need to know that your teaching actually works. A product that works plus a clear explanation equals authenticity. Showing your face doesn't add authenticity, it just adds personality. But personality and authenticity aren't the same thing. You can have a very personable person selling a terrible product, right? And you can have someone who's never on camera selling an incredible product that transforms people's lives. So now myth number 4, AI content gets no organic reach. So this one is 100% false. If your video has value, the algorithm promotes it regardless of whether an AI created it. Why does this myth exist then? Because most AI content that people see is poorly written and produced. It doesn't have a clear hook. It offers no values. People see bad AI content and then think, oh, AI content doesn't work. But the problem isn't the AI. The problem is the content quality. The AI is just a delivery mechanism. So if you put garbage content in, you get garbage results. So if you put valuable content in, you get valuable results. So let me give you the specific mistakes that I've seen people make and how to actually avoid them. So mistake number 1, making content look too perfect. So this might sound actually a little counterintuitive, but overly polished videos actually feel corporate and a little soulless. So people don't connect with perfection. They connect with realness. So here's what to do. Add slight imperfections intentionally. Pause for 1 second mid-sentence like you're thinking. Use authentic language. Say like and sometimes, because your avatar should sound like a real person giving advice, not a robot reciting Wikipedia. And the irony is that adding imperfection makes your AI content feel more human, not less. It feels more relatable because nobody talks perfectly, right? Nobody is on message 100% of the time. We all pause and think, we all use filler words, like we're all imperfect. So embrace that in your avatar content. Mistake number 2, forgetting captions entirely. I mentioned this already, but it's so important that I'm going to repeat it. 50% of social viewers have sound off. So make this a rule. Every single word your avatar says should be captioned. And then mistake number 3, no clear call to action. So this one actually surprises people, but it's critical. You create amazing content, your avatar delivers incredible value, people are watching, people are engaged, and then nothing. Every video should end with a clear next step, right? So click the link in the bio to get the course, like drop a comment below. Which strategy would you try first? Like first 20 people to comment get 50% off, like something like that, right? Anything. But something that tells people what they actually need to do. So the difference between engagement and conversions is a clear call to action. You can have the most beautiful video in the world, but if people don't know what to do next, they're not gonna buy, right? So you have to be explicit. Tell them exactly what you want them to do. So here's what I want you to understand about this entire approach. This isn't about being lazy. This isn't about avoiding real work. This is about being strategic on where you spend your energy. Your time is your most valuable resource. So if you spend 40 hours a week on camera recording content, you're not spending that time on strategy, on product development, or on serving your customers better. But if you can create that same amount of content in just 5 hours using AI, suddenly you have 35 hours to focus on things that actually move your business forward. So start with HeyGen, create your first AI avatar, write your first script using the strategies that I just gave you, record that first video, edit it with B-roll and caption, and then simply post it. Then do it again tomorrow, stay consistent, and I promise you, people will start buying from you again. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.